Avoir.
means to have. In this video, we will learn how to say the verb to have in the future tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. To conjugate the verb in future tense, we need to know the future stem and the future ending, which we have already learned in our earlier video. To refresh your knowledge, here is the table of future ending that we have learned. In French, some verbs do not follow any pattern for conjugation. This verb falls in same category. You don't have to apply any rule or logic to get the future stem. So, the future stem of this verb is written like this. As you can see, there is no correlation between the verb and future stem. We just have to remember it. Now, we have subject pronoun, future stem, and future ending. Let's see how we combine this to conjugate the verb in future tense. I will have.
J'aurai.
You will have, informal way.
Tu auras.
He will have, masculine.
Il aura.
She will have, feminine.
Elle aura.
We will have, formal way.
Nous aurons.
You will have, formal way.
Vous aurez.
They will have, group of males or mixed people.
Ils auront.
They will have, group of only females.
Elles auront.
Now that we've conjugated the verb in the future tense, let's explore some examples. I will have a lot of work tomorrow.
J'aurai beaucoup de travail demain. J'aurai beaucoup de travail demain.
You will have a new car next year.
Tu auras une nouvelle voiture l'année prochaine. Tu auras une nouvelle voiture l'année prochaine.
He will have an important meeting in the afternoon.
Il aura une réunion importante dans l'après-midi. Il aura une réunion importante dans l'après-midi.
She will have a party for her birthday.
Elle aura une fête pour son anniversaire. Elle aura une fête pour son anniversaire.
We will have a beautiful house in the countryside.
Nous aurons une belle maison à la campagne. Nous aurons une belle maison à la campagne.
You will have a lot of luck in your new venture.
Vous aurez beaucoup de chance dans votre nouvelle entreprise. Vous aurez beaucoup de chance dans votre nouvelle entreprise.
They will have a dog as a pet.
Ils auront un chien comme animal de compagnie. Ils auront un chien comme animal de compagnie.
They will have a lot of success in their studies.
Elles auront beaucoup de succès dans leurs études. Elles auront beaucoup de succès dans leurs études.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time.
J'aurai. Tu auras. Il aura. Elle aura. Nous aurons. Vous aurez. Ils auront. Elles auront.
For quick reference, I have organized the verb conjugations into a structured table. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.